Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new guardian lion pet from Roblox Adopt Me for Chinese New Year's. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the head. Draw a kind of S-shaped curve here like this. From the bottom of this line, draw a curved line down to the right and then curve it back up at the end. Stop here to leave room for the lion's mane. Next, let's draw the eye. Draw a circle right about here. Then color it in black. Now let's draw the eyebrow. Above the eye, draw a swirl shape like this, and then bring it down next to the eye on the left. Then from the left here, curve it up and around the swirl, and then down around the eye to meet the bottom at a point. Now let's draw the other eyebrow. From the side of the face here, draw a diagonal line up and out, and then curve it back into the top of the face. Then inside, draw a small curved line here. Now draw the eye with a half circle and color it in black. Let's draw the nose now. From the tip of the snout, draw a diagonal line in and up. Next, draw a curved line inwards like this. Then a small diagonal line down. Next, draw two inward curves down like this. Then close off the nose with a straight line. Now we're going to start drawing the mane of the lion, which has a lot of separate swirly sections. Starting from the right here, draw a curve in to the face line, then back up around and curve it like this to the right. Then from the end, curve it back inwards with an S-shaped curve, and then swirl it up at the end. Next, before we finish off the mane, let's draw the ear. On the top right here, draw a large upside down rounded V shape. Then inside, draw another same shape. Close off the bottom now to make a triangle. Let's continue with the mane now. From the bottom left of the ear, step up and then draw a line across. Now draw a large curve up over the ear and then flick it up at the end. Then from the tip, curve it back down to the ear. For the next section, draw a small line down here, and then another line across the top of the forehead. Draw another large curve up and flick it out at the end as well. From the tip, connect it back down with a curved line. Next, close off the head with a diagonal line here. Then draw one more section of hair with a curved line like so. Next, under the chin on the left, draw a long V shape here. Move over to the left now and draw a shorter J shape. Then curve it back up. Let's finish off the rest of the mane. From the right side of the ear, draw a line out and then curve it down. Above this section of hair, let's draw another chunk like this. Let's draw the next section starting from under the right side of the chin. Draw an S-shaped curve across and then curve it up at the end. Then curve it back up with another S-shaped curve. Let's draw another section under it, curving it the opposite way. Now I'm going to draw 2 more sections coming out the bottom right here, like this. Next, we're going to draw the swirl on the side of the body. From the bottom here, draw an S-shaped curve. Then from the tip, draw a line in towards the left and then curve it down at the end. From the bottom of this line, draw a curved line down, around, and back up connecting to the mane. Under it, draw another small section here. Now I'm going to draw another small piece of hair here with a sideways V shape. The lion has another large swirl shape in the back here, so let's draw this now. From the right, draw a curved line down and in, and then down. Then continue this line in between the gaps in the mane. Then continue it down a little bit more at the bottom. From the top of this line, draw an S curve down and then loop it back up at the bottom. Then close off the shape with a curve like this. Now to the right of the shape, draw one more pointed shape coming out. Let's draw the shape of the body now. From the bottom of the face here, draw a line down and then curve it back up to the back like this. Let's draw the tail now. In the back top here, draw small pointed shapes across to fill the gap. Now draw 2 teardrop shapes on the right here. Then a small curved line down. And a diagonal line to close off the bottom of the tail. Now we're going to draw the hair at the end of the tail. Draw a curved line to the right here like this. Now a curved line across the top, and then close it off like this. Lastly, let's draw the feet. On the bottom right, draw an upside down wide U shape like this. Then close it off with a curved line across the bottom and color it in black. Draw another foot the same way in the front. For the last foot, draw a curved line coming out the belly here, and then a shorter one below, and then close off the bottom. Color this one in black as well. And that's it for the guardian lion. Now let's quickly color it in. And done! Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.